entertainment industry.
Yes.
One of these iconic awards is the Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Award. It is named after the founder and heart of the Guillermo Foundation, Corazon Samaniego. This award is in honor of her, the Box Office Entertainment Awards Grand Matriarch, who had loved unconditionally the Guillermo Foundation and its scholars. When she passed away, this Lifetime Achievement Award was born in her name.
And this year's awardee embodies this award, having been as successful as a singer, television actor, and a box office king. A career that has spanned for more than 50 years, from more than 100 films to his credit, which includes 1972's top grosser and God Smiled at Me, which won for him the 1973 Box Office King crown, to 2024's Uninvited, more than 50 remarkable roles on television, which became part of Filipino households for more than 3 generations.
He is also a singer and a dancer with 11 albums from Tirsa Cruz III to Pip Dimension. He is the other half of the local cinema's first phenomenal love team, Guy and Pip. Truly an all-time favorite actor with numerous Best Actor and Best Supporting Actor trophies tucked in his belt. Almost 6 decades of quality portrayal, high degree of professionalism, and giving us the best films and TV programs to watch. These are enough reasons to recognize him as a Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Mr. Tirsa Cruz III.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Rene Samaniego.
Thank you very much, Corazon Samaniego Lifetime Achievement Awards. Lifetime Achievement. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang po, I've been in this business for 73 years. Hindi ako nagbibiro. A lot of people don't know this, that the first time na nasilayan po ako ng camera, I was 6 months old. I was part of the movie Pagsilang ng Mesiyas, wherein I played the baby Jesus. So that was, unfortunately, I have to admit that. So 73 years na po sa industriya. No, really, this industry has been very, very kind to me, and I am very, very thankful. Kahit po sa ngayong gabi, kanina nung tumitingin ako, I was looking around. At one point or time of life or in this industry, karamihan ng nandito ngayon, nakapartner ko na, nakasama ko na sa pelikula, kundi man sa pelikula, sa television. And truly, I owe my life to the industry. And of course, sabi nga nila, lahat ng award na nakuha ko, they all are outstanding, but this is something that I will cherish, a Lifetime Achievement Award. And of course, everything, lahat ng awards na nakita ko, are nakuha ko from the start. I owe it all to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Thank you very much. And of course, I dedicate this to the wind beneath my wings, my wife Lynn, and to my son Bodhi, and my daughter Janine. And of course, sa lahat ng nakapartner ko sa industriya, thank you very much for having helped me. Thank you very much for teaching me. Marami po akong natutunan. And of course, once again, maraming salamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Awards for this award. I will treasure this for the rest of my life and hopefully many more films. Thank you very much po, and magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.